Hi there, this is Daisy. Today I'm gonna show you how to auto follow people on LinkedIn with Java Pro. Let's uncheck all the task and go to LinkedIn. Just make sure. Okay, follow LinkedIn. It was failed and should be fixed. Select accounts. And this account, let's change another one. Let's follow this Michael Jackson. My bad. Click OK. So number of user to follow, number of follow per account. I only add one account. Maybe we can add another one. So 2 account. Here we add it to 2 and click OK. And let's start the task. We can expand here to check the logs. So there's an interval time in default. So we're going to follow Michael Jackson. Okay, followed. Now it will auto close the window and mark it as success. You can just free your hands. We're waiting for the second window. Okay, we got one success. You can set the interval time like less than 60 seconds. Let's go to the second user. This is the second link. So if you have like maybe 2 LinkedIn accounts or 10, you can put 2 links or 10 links to follow like at the same time. Great. Followed. Now it will close this browser automatically and mark it as 2 success here, and then this will turn green. So yeah, that's a quick demo. If you're interested in other campaigns, just let me know. I can show you. Well, I already recorded videos about like, comments, post, and send connection requests. You can watch my previous video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.